In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendgrid automation to send email. We're going to walk through the full process of setting up an automated email series, from choosing who should get your emails, to deciding when they go out, to finally turning the automation on. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of how to build a simple but effective automation inside Sendgrid. First, once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Marketing section. Under Marketing, click on Automations. This is where all of your automated workflows live. To create a new one, click on Create an Automation, and then choose the Custom option. Custom gives you full control over the audience, timing, and content of your emails, rather than relying on a pre-built template. Next, you'll define your entry criteria. This is simply the rule that decides who gets pulled into this automation. You can choose to trigger the automation when a contact is added to a specific list, or when they join a particular segment. It's important to know that contacts only enter the automation if they are added after the automation is set live. So if you already have people on that list before you turn it on, they won't automatically receive this series unless you add them again, or otherwise meet the trigger after activation. Now set your exit criteria. This controls when a contact should stop receiving emails from this automation. You can have them exit once they've received every email in the series, which is typical for a welcome or onboarding flow. You can also have them exit if they no longer meet the entry criteria, for example, if they're removed from the list or segment you chose. Finally, you can define custom conditions that, when met, will remove them from the automation. Keep in mind there's a limit of 15 custom exit criteria per account, so use these thoughtfully. After that, choose the send timing. For the first email in your series, you can send it instantly, right after the person enters the automation, or you can delay it by a certain number of hours or days. For every email after that, the delay is always relative to the previous email, so you might send the second email 2 days after the first, the third email 3 days after the second, and so on. With the timing set, it's time to build the email content. Click on Add Email Content to pick a template and write your message. Customize the subject line, body, and any images or buttons so they match your brand and your goal for that email. When you're happy with it, save it, and if you need a sequence, click Add an Email to include more messages in the series. Repeat the timing and content steps for each additional email until your flow is complete. Finally, once everything looks good, it's time to go live. Review your entry and exit criteria, double-check your delays, and make sure each email has the correct content. When you're ready, click Set Live. From that moment on, any contact who meets your entry criteria will automatically receive the emails in the order and timing you've set, without you having to send anything manually.